What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the game bar voice chat is not working on Windows 11 and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings, and right now from here we have to navigate to the gaming. Now from here navigate to the game bar and make sure that you turn on the game bar. So if you turn this off, you'll be having a lot of trouble, or the game bar will not be working like fine. So you have to make sure that you turn it on. Next, you have to go over here in the apps, go to the installed apps. Now from here, as you can see, you'll be having tons of apps here. So you have to scroll down all the way down and you have an option called System Components. You have to select System Components. And in the System Components, make sure that you select the game bar, go to the three-dot menu, and there is an option called Advanced Option. Now from here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to find the reset. So just go for repair. It will take a bit of time and you have to wait for it. Once the repair is successfully done, you have to go for the reset. Once just wait for this one completely done, click on the reset, go for reset. So it is going to take a bit of time. And once it's successfully done, you have to close this and you have to launch the game. Next one is all about, after trying with this, still if you're having the trouble, then we just need to go over here, search for the settings once again, click on the settings. And right now navigate to the privacy and security, and from here you have to scroll down over here. You might be able to find the microphone, select the microphone. And right now you need to make sure two things. The first one, you have to allow the access here, and also the parallel, make sure that you have given the access here. And also even if you scroll down, you might be able to find the game bar. And should be giving access to everything over here. You should be giving access to all the items over here. You have to give all the access to this. And once you go over here and given the access to all these things, make sure one thing, the very important thing is all about, you have to close this. Now go over here, search for the device manager, and you have to get into the device manager. And right now we need to expand this up and go over here in the audio, and we have various options like microphone, AT studio microphone, and many options here. And from this is what you have to select, and right click, go for the update driver. Just go for search automatically for drivers, and once afterwards just go and search for updated drivers on the Windows update. So it's going to take you to the Windows, and make sure if you're having any kind of update, just update Windows, check for the updates, and you have to make sure it is on the latest versions. Similarly, afterwards you have to go over here, you can close this in between and go over here on the control panel, and you have to click on the control panel. From here navigate to the sound and go to the recording, and from here, as you can see, in my case the Blue AT stereo is my default device, so I have to select this and make sure this has been set into the default one. If it's not default one, you have to set into the default one, and you have to go over here, okay, and you have to check. And these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.